Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get an exotic campfire seed pack in Grow Garden Summer Camp Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, the Summer Camp Update Part 2 has been released and there is a new event here. The Bearnabi event. I don't know what it is called, but let's just call it the Bearnabi event. And here guys, you will be able to obtain seed pack, campfire seed pack. You just need to give this bear with the requested plants and he will give you a campfire seed pack. Now he's asking for flower plants, so you need to submit flower to him. I'm going to click on find a plant for me. Okay, and we're going to give him, take this plant, oops, like this, and we'll get campfire seed pack. And after we get 50 campfire seed pack, we will be able to claim one exotic campfire seed pack. And from this exotic campfire seed pack, you'll get all these possible seeds. If you're lucky, you will get this one, rainbow pack. Oh, so cool. Okay guys, and that's all about the exotic campfire seed pack in Grow a Garden Summer Camp Update Part 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!